In this tutorial, we will create a mailing and send that out. So first, we will start in CRM at the Marketing tab and then on the Mailings navigation bar. From here, you can see all of the mailings that have not been sent, that have been sent, and all the statistics of what's happened at a high level. Let's take this training example here, which is in the draft state, and use this for our tutorial. So from here you see this is where you would name the mailing for the CRM name. Then we define a subject. In a subject line you do have the ability to put in personalization, so let's just use first name here. And in the tutorial user guide you can find the section for personalization, and that'll show you all of those tags that you can use there. Then you give it a campaign, which list do you want the target group to be, and click Save. After that, you click over on the HTML Content tab. This is our editor. This is where we will insert our content and edit our content. You'll notice it has a separate Save button, and it has things like a spell checker, all the things you would expect, pasting options, inserting images, PDFs, but let's focus on inserting templates. We practiced creating a template in another exercise, so here they are. We've got several different ones we can choose from. That you can download these and put them in from our training documentation page. And let's just select the training example and click Insert. Now that will place this inside your mailing, and from here you are free to edit this as you wish and make the content your own, change out the images, but this is a great template to use because it's optimized for all the different web viewing engines out there, whether it be Hotmail or Gmail or Outlook, and it'll look nice. So the next thing that we'll take a look at is the Text Content tab. So from here you can paste in some sample text. You can copy the HTML content and paste it over here, and that'll look pretty good. You can just clean it a little bit, and after you do so, click Save. And then from here, let's move straight on over to testing and put in a couple of email addresses. It's a great idea here to use, say, an Outlook email address and then maybe a web-based email address, because those do render very differently when your client is looking at your email. So you want to have an idea of what your audience might be seeing, and you won't know that unless you test some examples. So from here, just click Test, and we do a short validation, and you'll notice that we have an error message. And we hover over the bubble there, and it tells us that the HTML content is empty. So this is done as an illustration to just remind you that you must click the Save button inside the HTML Content tab. And so let's just, there's that button right there. So let's just insert that template again. And this time we're going to click the Save button. So as soon as we do that, that stores that data inside CRM for us, and you noticed everything else has stayed the same. So we can just move back over and click Test, and from here everything goes nicely. So you will receive 2 copies of your mail since it is a test, and one will be HTML and one will be text. You can see how they look, and if you like them, you're ready to move straight on over to the Scheduling tab. Otherwise, just edit and send again. You can send as many tests as you like, and there will be no impact on the statistics of the campaign. We removed those from the stats. But pick your send later date whenever you like, and just click send later if that's what you wish, and we'll send it out for you at that time.